Most people get this wrong on their first try with Alexa. They plug it in, expect magic, and then get stuck when nothing responds the way they want. Here's the truth no one tells you. Alexa is simple, but only if you set it up correctly from the beginning. In this video you'll learn exactly how to set up and use Amazon Alexa for the first time in 2026, step by step. You'll understand how to connect it to Wi-Fi, link your account, and start using voice commands the right way, so it actually responds fast and accurately. And by the end, you'll be able to control music, smart devices, reminders, and more, without confusion. Let's start with the basics. When you first plug in your Alexa device, like an Echo Dot or Echo Show, it will light up and prompt you to begin setup. But here's where most people fail. They skip the app step. You need the Amazon Alexa app on your phone. Open it, sign in with your Amazon account, and tap Add Device. John, a first-time user, once tried skipping this and thought his device was broken. It wasn't. It was just not connected. Next, connect Alexa to Wi-Fi. Choose your home network, enter the password, and wait for confirmation. Now here's where it gets interesting. Once connected, Alexa becomes fully voice active, but only after you say the wake word like Alexa. Now, try your first command. Say, Alexa, what's the weather today? If it responds, you're set. But if it doesn't, don't panic. Most issues come from weak Wi-Fi or wrong account login. Now let's move to real usage. You can ask Alexa to play music, set timers, create reminders, or even control smart lights. For example, Jake uses it every morning by saying, Alexa, start my day, and it turns on lights, gives weather updates, and plays news. But here's the problem most beginners face. They only use basic commands. Alexa becomes powerful when you explore routines. Routines let you combine actions into one voice command, like turning off lights and locking doors at night. You can also personalize Alexa in settings. Change voice, adjust volume, and manage privacy controls if needed. Everything is in the app. To wrap it up, setting up Alexa is easy when you follow the right steps. Install the app, connect Wi-Fi, test commands, and explore routines. That's where the real value starts. If this helped you set up Alexa or made things clearer, like the video, drop a comment with your experience, and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this.